Schedule of games on Tuesday. Cagayan versus PNP. PNP with a heartbreaker just last Friday. Air Force and Meralco also with a heartbreaker last Friday. You were the heartbreak kids, you and I. Huh? We covered those games last Friday. Makes do. Yun ang sinasabi ni AJ. Malakas sila sa net, pero pag hinuhulugan sila, nahihirapan sila. Now you begin to understand sometimes why the libero has to be a little smaller than everybody else. De Ramos rather, lampas.
Well, a couple of miscues there for Air Force.
Nadala ng Air Force. Malakas din talaga yung Army talaga. Tingnan natin. In the meantime, bunag.
Oh, alam naman natin, itong mga players ng Army, they were guest players also in yung mga iba-ibang teams, so, and they were grouped together. So, tagang powerhouse.
Yes, indeed. Balse. Ako, Balse Salak lang. Matinding law firm yan. Micasa's our official ball here in the Shakey's B-League. At bubugbugin itong Micasa ball, pero kaya niya yan during the semifinals. Napapalapit na. Pantino is inside for the first time. Samantala, Pantino, I love it when she's in because she enjoys the game.
That's right.
At saka hinaharot siya ng mga girls eh. De Ramos will be serving.
Goes to show yung ugali ng player na to, no? Palaban.
Saka yung pag pinasok, wala nang marami pang ginagawa. Oy, sama ng reception na yun. Salak in-adjust. Move on kagad.
Oo.
Torres is working in the back row. Balse. Ano nasa isip ni Ging? Nasa harap butas eh, no? Sinusubukan niya hulugan doon, hindi nangyari. Parang there was that fraction of hesitation.
Or of doubt.
Of doubt, no? Ano ba gagawin ko? Tatalon ba ako? Ito, wala doubt to. Nakuha ni Caballero. Di makulangan. Ortiz.
Oh, it's the Air Force. You know, that technical timeout did them wonders. Ngayon, they're just down by 1.
Dakis!
Good cover.
Di makulangan. Ortiz! We're tied at 11.
That's right. And sabi mo nga, Sev, maganda feeling mo for Air Force today.
Well, Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Ortiz was in our feature earlier and she is beginning to feel it. This is going to be a good game. I'm going to order pizza. It's going to be a 5-setter and even the one later on.
It's a long day for us.
It's a long day, but what a great pair of games, and we hope you enjoy this on GMA News TV. Dakis adjusts in the air. Di makulangan. Ortiz huli. Nahuli. I know you, sabi ni Jim Balse.
Nahula ni ate.
Tagal natin magkasama.
Like generations ahead.
Yep.
Hindi naman generation. A generation ahead. Parang, I'm sure she looked up to Mary Jean Balse and now she's playing her face to face, di ba?
I'm sure that's a hard scenario mind-wise, but you know, just getting used to Dakis mess up her serve. Tabla po tayo sa 12. Pantino will be serving.
Oh, spiffy.
Spiffy. Siya ang spiffy lady natin yan. Balse huli. Balse di retoke. Tinaas si Abanto. Pumunta tayo sa kabila. Casillas huli. Tinaas uli ng Air Force. Ang hirap patayan ng bola ng Air Force.
Oo.
Bunag. Ricardo. Huli! Huli pa rin ni Sara.
You know, we need to mention, no, for those who want to, who love volleyball and who like to play that, that's a perfect example na ang regalo, pwede pa rin i-block. You can do it. Susundan mo lang. That's exactly what Tina Salak did.
And delighted with her work, no doubt. 13-12, very close first set. Shakey's fun family pizza. It's got to be Shakey's.
Kasi sometimes may mga players pag regalo, pinapanood na lang nila eh.
Yes, it did. Yung bang, it's like death and taxes. Mangyayari at mangyayari na lang talaga.
True.
Oh! Di ba kulangan? Telling Tina Salak, I learned something from you too. Sa mga stores dito, walang sa PS, walang volleyball. I'm gonna look for one eventually. Namantala, Gonzaga.
Ganun tayo ka-addict, pati yung mga games natin, volleyball.
Si Makulangan, skidding sa ilalim, hindi nakuha ang bola.
And syempre yung level is really going up.
And the teams have improved. They played long. They've already gone through the classification phase. Carolina wants a point. She finally got one.
That's right, Michelle Carlino. You know what Army needs right now? Legitimate kill. They were, from the start, they were relying on check ball, di ba? Nakita natin
Yeah. That's a very excellent observation. Valid and definitely. Balse. Set up job, Gonzaga. Loading up. Bang! They pay for being
Our coverage wasn't there.
not in the right place at the right time. And we're now tied at 15. Last 2 points have been scored by the Air Force.
Did you see that huge hole there in the back of that Army defense?
Exactly.
Misreceive.
Bunag is caught. Tinaas ni Casas de Ramos. Oh! And they have had some problems in the back row. Nauna ang Air Force.